Hello, this is Mike Steckline, partner with the Institute for Enterprise Excellence, with a short video describing what you will learn in a webinar that features CEO Kevin McNamara from Tidy Products Incorporated on the topic of leader standard work. A little background on how we may look at this presentation that Kevin's going to give in January, some of the materials from our work. Thinking about the role of leaders, managers, and frontline in an organization. Some primary systems. There's systems supporting the strategic focus on the problems of tomorrow, where leaders play a strong primary role. Managers play a strong role, not as much time spent as leaders do, and the front line plays a role. But again, this is a degree of how much time in the ideal state people would be spending in these different roles. And the other key system we think about is a daily management system focusing on the problems of the day to best serve the customers. And it's an inverse relationship on the amount of time that each of those roles would be spending in those particular areas. When I think about standard work, I think about a system of standard work that would work to connect and coordinate these two primary macro systems, let's call them, and how that would be coordinated. And so here's another view of that, looking at what are the key activities that would be taking place in both the strategic focus triangle and the operations or daily management focus triangle, and how standard work is a function of everyone's job. I believe that the process or the focus that Kevin's going to be focusing on is going to be primarily on the leader standard work shown by this circle in this diagram. Based upon some of the principles that we learn about in enterprise excellence, these are some suggestions about some of the key principles that might be used to design a system, a standard work system for leaders, and what that would look like. And so I hope you'll be able to join us on Friday, January 26th, noon Central Time. Again, Kevin McNamara from Tidy Products Incorporated. If you want to learn more about the particulars of the webinar, you can go to that bit.ly link at the bottom on the left-hand side here. And you can also use this information here to dial up and log in on that day. Thanks for your time.